Assalamu alaikum. So we're going to continue on this Envi Basic Lab. This is going to be the second session. On this session, we're going to show how to display the RGB colors. Then we're going to show also how to find the location and how to measure a features or a given area, the distance of the area. And finally, we're going to show how to display the image in 3D dimension. So firstly, in RGB color, we should come in the available band list. Click on this button, RGB colors. Then going to open three cases here. The first case for red, and second green, and the last case for blue colors. So we're going to display the first image in the natural composite color. The natural composite colors is depends and differentiate from Landsat to Landsat. For us, we're using Landsat 8, so the RGB color will be 432. While somebody who has data from Landsat 8, 7 should be band 3, band 2, and band 1. So as we're using data from Landsat 8, so we will have the band 4 for the red, and the band 3 for the green, and the band 2 for the blue colors. We can come and check red band 4, green band 3, and lastly B for band 2. And we come to the load in order to load our image. So this is the image is loaded, opening in the natural colors. So we always have these three windows here. The first window is called the image window, where a part of the image can be seen. And the second window here called the scroll window, where the entire image can be appeared. And the last window is the zoom window. The zoom window, only specified detailed features can be seen from it. And we can adjust zoom in or zoom out with the minus button. Well, like that. So now we can open a new display with the geological composite colors. Generally, the geological composite color are the 741 for Landsat 7, but for our case, we are using data from Landsat 8. It's going to be 7. Where is the 7? It's going to be 7, 5, 752. 752. Yes, 752. And remember, should be careful to come to choose new display in order to load this new RGB composite color. Besides that, you will replace this first display to this new one. So now, as you choose new display, you can load your image with the geological composite colors. As you can notice that we have different color from this one. We can make even the links. The links we have made it from the previous session, so we don't let so much time in this. So now, see the difference. This is the color of the geological view, and this is the natural view. Now we'll jump up to go on how to find the location on the pictures on the given features. For example, here is the location. In this location, we can read the entire details of the features. For example, these features here. Let us be here. For example, so these features are found in the UTM zone 36 north, and here is the map details, and here is the GPS coordinations. We can find it all them. Wherever I move the mouse, the coordinates can change with the moving of the mouse. For example here. So let's go to see how to find the measurement, how to calculate the measure or the area of a given features. We'll come here and go to measurement tools. From the measurement tool, we have a window of display measurement tool. From this window, we have many options. From this first option, display, you have to choose if it display 1 or display 2 you want to make your measurements. And here we have image, scroll, or zoom. I think we're going to deal with image because image is not too small or too large. It's just okay. And we have the type. The type, this will give you the type of measurement you want to do. You want to make a rectangular or ellipse or polyline or polygon, whatever you want. And we have the units. We have pixel, meter, kilometer, feet, yard, miles. I think for us, we're going to use the kilometers. And the area we let as it is, unit square. Then we will come to measure, for example, these points. I'm going to hold my left click and hold it until the final points here, for example, and have a right click. Up, I have the total distance is about 8.3 kilometers. Now I'm going to measure an area. I'm going firstly to change the type. I will come to choose rectangular, for example, and now I hold my left click like this. Yes, I'm going to measure this one. Up, I have the total perimeter is the 8.5 and the total area is 4.6 kilometers square. I can change to choose, for example, or ellipse in order to measure the small circle here. I don't know these features is how much. Then I'm going to measure it. Yes, this one. So now I can find that the circumference of this circle is about 4.1 kilometers, while the total area is 1.3 kilometers squared. So I think this is the way how to get the measure from anything. So now we have seen how to find the location of something. Sometimes you may be not identify, or the things, the feature is not so clear with your image, so you can just take the location and go in place in order to have physical view and to check the thing on your eyes. We're going to jump off quickly in order to see how to open the image in 3D dimension. We always come in tools, and now we have until the end we have 3D surface view, and we choose the band we want to open this. For me, I'm going to choose band 3, for example, then OK, and waiting until it's loading. So here is our 3D dimension view, 3D surface view. So you can move it with your mouse. With your mouse, you can move it, or you can come to open the option in order to get more option, surface control. Then you can have this window here, while you can move it, turn it left or turn it right, up and down. You can then from this to move it up or move it down, move it left or move it right. Then you will have now your image in 3D dimension view. Here is the image. I think that everybody here can see the image in 3D dimension view. And thank you so much for this session. This is going to be the end of this session, and going to continue for more things in the session following. Jazakumullah khair.